Welcome to Edu-Inform, where we make learning English fun and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our videos. Today's topic is common English phrases for traveling. Whether you're traveling to a new city or a foreign country, these phrases will help you navigate, ask for help, and make your journey smoother. Traveling can be exciting, but sometimes it can be challenging when you're not fluent in the local language. That's why knowing a few key English phrases can be super helpful. In this video, we'll go over some of the most useful phrases for traveling, including asking for directions, buying tickets, and getting help. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about asking for directions. Imagine you're in a new place and need to find your way. Here are some key phrases you can use. Where is the station? For example, excuse me, where is the train station? How can I get to the airport? You can say, could you please tell me how to get to the airport? Make sure to start with excuse me to sound polite. Another useful phrase is this the right way to the museum? Use this when you're unsure if you're going in the right direction. Practice these sentences with me. Next, let's talk about buying tickets. Here are some helpful phrases for when you're at a ticket counter or kiosk. I need a ticket to destination. For example, I need a ticket to London. How much is a ticket? This helps you check the price before buying. If you're not sure about the options, you can ask, what's the difference between these tickets? And if you're in a hurry, you can say, when is the next bus train? Practice these phrases with me and remember to speak clearly. Sometimes we need help when we're traveling. Here are some phrases to use when you're in such situations. Can you guide me to place? For example, can you guide me to the nearest hotel? I need help with my luggage. This is useful at the airport or hotel. If you feel lost, say, I'm lost. Can you help me? And lastly, if you don't understand something, say, can you speak more slowly, please? Politeness goes a long way, so always remember to add please and thank you. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. Asking for directions. Where's the station? Buying tickets. I need a ticket to destination. Asking for help. Can you guide me to place? Remember to practice these phrases regularly to feel more confident when traveling. A few years ago, I was traveling to London for the first time. I was super excited but also a bit nervous because I wasn't familiar with the city. When I arrived at the train station, I needed to get to my hotel, but I couldn't figure out which train to take. I saw a friendly local and said, excuse me, where is the train to Paddington Station? The person kindly pointed me in the right direction. Then at the ticket counter, I wasn't sure about the fares. So I asked, how much is a ticket to Paddington? The staff was so helpful and even gave me advice about which train to catch. Later, when I was walking to my hotel, I got a bit lost. I approached someone and said, I'm lost. Can you help me find my hotel? They not only showed me the way, but even recommended a great cafe nearby. That trip taught me how important it is to know basic English phrases when traveling. That's it for today's lesson on common English phrases for traveling. I hope you found this helpful and feel more prepared for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more lessons like this. And tell me in the comments, have you ever had an interesting travel experience where English helped you? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy travels!